Hello guys, so first of all please like and subscribe my channel. Hurry up, go and subscribe my channel. So today our topic is how to play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch. So our first step is turn on your Nintendo Switch and log in into your Nintendo Switch account. After logging your Nintendo, you can go to Nintendo eShop. So going in your Nintendo eShop, you can search here Nintendo. You can search here Fortnite, and you can see the game. After seeing the game, you can easily download in your Nintendo. It is free to download. After downloading it, you can see a thank you message. So you can see Fortnite in your dashboard. So after that you can sign in your Epic account. You can also create Epic account, log in your web browser in your PC. After creating your Epic account, you can easily sign up your Epic account. After that you can play your Fortnite easily and enjoy with your friend. There is a tip: you can add your Fortnite friend in your Epic account from everywhere you want to add in different platform from different platforms. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.